So Holochain holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. Welcome back to another update video of the Holochain. My friends, you know what? That's a congratulations. That's a good news video for all Holochain holders, because I want to congratulate all Holochain holders, because from the last 1 week the price of the Holochain is increasing, and still the price of the Holochain is increasing, and especially in the 24 hours you can see 8.53%. 8.53% the Holochain price pump, the Holochain price increase 8% is the huge amount. I really appreciate Holochain due to this positive change, and positive 2% increase in just in the last 1 hour, in the last 60 minutes, my friend. So now Holochain is now trending token, trending coin in the market. Invest more and more in the Holochain, and if you are also investor of the Holochain, if you holder of Holochain, so please I recommend for all of you to please hold Holochain to the last of month. Absolutely, you get a good amount of profit if you hold Holochain to the last of month. And you can see your market cap, 24 hours trading volume, available supply. Every update is present here about Holochain. You can easily read out this update. And 0.005% is the current price of the Holochain in a USD dollar, my friends. My friends, I'm clear that if they start jumping, so they continue this jump for a long time. They continue this positive changes to the last of this month. So please hold to the last of this one. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.